Hi, this is Matt from Sections Pro. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our sections that support being added to the product information section of products. And when we talk about product information, what we're really talking about is this area over here to the right. We have a handful of sections that support that. To get to those sections, you just click Product Support, and you'll see a list right now. We have 5, and we'll be adding those as it makes sense over the next couple months. But let's start with payment icons. The installation is the same as normal. You just hit Publish, and you publish it to your theme. From there, you can jump into the theme customizer, and you'll want to navigate to your product template. And we'll come down here, and this is where we're going to add the section. But to do this, we have to go Add Section here, and I think we selected Payment Icons, so let's go to Payment Icons. And so by default, this gets added underneath all of your other areas, but what we really want to do is up here in this product information area. So what we're going to do is click on Payment Icons, and you'll see this new section in here called Transport Section. What that's going to do is help us move it into that area. So in order to do that, first we're going to enable Transport Section, and then we're going to copy this custom liquid. We're going to jump into Product Information, and the product information controls this area over here. And like right above description, what we're going to do is add a section called custom liquid. And in the custom liquid section, we're going to paste what was in the other piece before. And we'll come in and we'll hit save. And as you see, this is now transported into the section. Because these sections were really built to go full screen, what you're going to have to do is come in now and kind of customize that a little bit to make it look right. So we can go in, for example, and go to Payment Icons, and we can pull down, like we can take out the background color, just remove that, and pull down some of this padding. So like you have padding left and right, you can take that down to 5, and then in the container, take that down to 5. You see this starts to look a little bit nicer, like it's kind of built into that. What I usually do as well is like take out the headlines and stuff like that. But that was just a quick walkthrough of how to add our sections into the payment block. Thanks.